guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby and welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to do some crafting. I wanted to finish up a project that I've been working on. So I want to share some of the projects I've been working on and finish up a project. And I also wanted to mention that I'm going to close the giveaway from my YouTube Live, the one that we were celebrating WJ Crafting Corner's 4K subby milestone. So I'm going to close that giveaway, and for that giveaway I asked if you made one of the boxes that I did on the live to tag me on social media, and I would pick a winner for a prize. And I haven't announced what the prize was. I think it might be some goodies or something like that, but it'll be a nice little surprise. And I made these really cute boxes inspired by Chicken Scratch here on YouTube. She's a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. She made a cute little small one, but I modified the measurements to create a big one to hold some hot cocoa and candy and stuff like that. So if you did make one and you tag me, I know I did see someone did tag me, so I don't know if anybody else did, but because I get a lot of notifications and sometimes I miss them. So if you did tag me and I didn't write a comment on your post, please reach out to me, tell me, hey, I posted this, so I could put you down for this giveaway. Okay, so I'm going to choose that winner on let's do it on this giveaway will close on December 25th on Christmas Day. So you'll have until then to create one of these boxes and then tag me to be entered into this giveaway. So I also wanted to share what else I was working on. So let me get my little mat in here. So I've been doing a few little projects. So we're going to finish this project here. And these are these cute little matchboxes that hold a Ghirardelli chocolate inside. And I got the tutorial from, so I followed Dawn's Stamping Thoughts tutorial. It's a very good tutorial, so I'll have it linked in the description box for you so you can follow her measurements. They're exactly what I followed, so I will have her link in the description box. They just turned out really cute and fun. I used our Gingerbread Kisses paper pad and a coordinating ephemera. And then I used the Gingerbread Hugs stamp set for the sentiment here. And it's just like a little matchbox. I love the detail on the sides here for the little pocket. And then this just slips right in there. So really cute. You put a staple at the bottom, and then you can cover the staple with some pattern paper if you wanted to. I did decorate these each differently. This one, also a sentiment from the Gingerbread Hugs stamp set, and the ephemera and the paper pad. I have a doily behind my image there and more of the paper on the inside, and I did decorate the back on that one. You could write a message on the top if you wanted to. And then this one's like a Valentine's Day one. This one is using our Paper Pad Club of the Month. And that was using the Sweet Love paper from this month's Paper Pad Club. So very beautiful patterns in here, and there's some cutouts in here. And this really cute page, great for a scrapbook page. But there's some cutouts that you can use on the front of your cards. So I did that. I used the little cutout for the top here. Added some glitter and a sentiment that says XOXO. This one I decorated the back, and I decided I didn't really need to decorate the back on the other ones. I rather decorate the back here. So just different ways you can decorate it. And then I tried making one from a die. So I used the Sunny Studio. This is the Mini Mat and Tag #1 die, and I used the back piece here, and I just scored it 2 times to make this fold so it holds the little candy, and then I just pop 2 holes at the top. So that's another way you can decorate these little chocolates. I'm also going to finish up a tag because I just had some scraps laying around, and I thought, hey, put these on the tag and that's going to look really cute. So I wanted to share the new stamp set. If you haven't seen, we did just release this new stamp set and it is so cute. There is a coordinating die that you can pick up if you wanted the die, and it does cut out all the sentiments in here. And I made a really cute card with this, the bear. Let me show you that if you didn't get to see that. And just love how it turned out. The paper in the background is the Sweet Love paper that I just shared. And I did add the little candy and all that. So it turned out so cute. And there's that sentiment, very sweet, right here that you get to color in. So I did have leftover images from when I colored everything. So that's why I wanted to make a tag with this cupcake. And here's another one that holds a Ghirardelli chocolate, and it's like a little purse. I forgot who had the tutorial for this one, but I wasn't going to make more because I couldn't really decorate the front because there wasn't a big enough space. But this would look cute with like a little tag hanging from the bow. So today I want to finish up one more of these cute little matchboxes with you since I have one left, and I want to use the Snow Fantasy. So this is a gorgeous paper pad. It's the other paper pad in the subscription this month. I'm not going to go over the measurements. You can watch Dawn's video to see how she got all of this, but she did use a whole sheet of an 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock, and you get 4 of these little matchboxes out of there. So actually, I think 5. This is already scored and ready to go. This one I was going to score on camera. You do a little mountain and valley fold here. And you're going to want to score this with a bone folder. You want to get your little creases nice and clean. So this is going to be the little pocket that holds the candy. And then one more. And then we're going to add some glue to this right here and just glue that shut. Just add a little glue right here. Close that up, line it up. And then you're going to decorate it first before you stick it inside there. So I had some scraps. So I'm just going to take those and hope they make them fit on there. So I'm just going to cut this and have that little snowman be my background. Okay, I'm going to cut it a little bit shorter. Okay, that looks pretty good. So let's add some glue. So I have a tray full of images. I think this one here with the snowman is going to go really pretty with that pattern on the inside. This one would fit really nicely as well. So these are the cutouts that are in the paper pad Snow Fantasy. So these are really, really pretty. This little cup, the girls on the sleigh, and even these square ones are going to fit nicely on there. And then I have all these other images that I want to use. This is from the Snow Critters, and this is from the Sweet Love paper pad. And then these fun little rabbits in the Hot Cocoa. That is a stamp set called Sweet Surprise, and that is in the shop. It's a single stamp set. And then this cute one from the Snow Sweet. I love that one. So I want to use those up. But I want to finish this and get this off my desk. So let's pick out a nice pattern. I love these pine cones. I might put that one on the back. And then on the front, I might do some, this one's pretty. I like that and I like that. So maybe, maybe this one on the front. Because I want my image to stand out. So put something less busy. 2 3/4. So 2 3/4 is a good size for the front. Okay, that's for the back. And then I will do this one for the inside. Okay, now you're going to want to staple your inside piece in, and you're going to put that at the bottom and center that. Add some glue to the back. And then you're going to squish it down, and you're going to staple the bottom towards the bottom. Like that. Now you have a little matchbook. So you can cover that staple with a piece of pattern paper. For our monthly challenge, we have a challenge to make a tag, a holiday tag. It's on the blog, or get some inspiration from the mood board. And the mood board colors are a match to this paper pad. So if you love this color palette and you have colors like this at home, you can follow the mood board. Or if you're on the paper pad subscription and you have this, why don't you head over to the blog and link up a card or a project, and you can be in the drawing for a $15 gift certificate to the shop. I picked the winners on the 1st of the month, so there's still time to enter. So now we can add our little image on the front. Let's see, I want to put a little strip of this on the front, give some interest. And then grab my sentiment. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the middle. I can pop up my image a little bit. I always love using foam tape to add dimension to my projects. So I love this project. I think it is just so adorable. Okay, so let's work on the tag. So this is using the Sunny Studio die. And I wanted to show you how cute these images are with the little smiley face that comes in the stamp set. So I'm going to go and stamp out the smiley faces for you. So I'm going to add this to the top. Let's put my magnet on there. And then this is just going to go right there at the bottom. I just happened to have this little square cut out from a die, and it fits perfectly in there. So I thought, why not? And then I have another one, so I'll put it right on the back. Okay, so let's get out my Misty. So there's a bigger face and a smaller face in the set. Like the smaller face is gonna fit on the donut and probably this candy. Since I already did my coloring, I'm gonna use the VersaFine Clear. I'm just gonna stamp off since this is the first time I'm stamping it. Get my surface even here. So cute. And I'm just gonna take some colored pencils for those cheeks since I don't want it to smear. I'm just gonna take like a red. And then for the whites of the eyes, I think I will take a white Jelly Roll pen and just do a little dot. I got one dot bigger than the other. That's okay. So we got a cute little face. Let me zoom in for you. We'll just add that to the tag. Just do the back really quick. Pop those little holes out. I wanted to use this. I think I'm just gonna wrap it around. I'm going to add some foam tape to the back of my image. So have you finished all your Christmas card making and your Christmas shopping yet? I have not. I am a last minute girl. I'm going to add my image down here at the bottom. I have this little high that comes in the stamp sets. I'm just going to add that to the bottom right there. It's a little high. This little heart I'm going to add to this corner. Okay, and now I can add a little ribbon. See, do you think red will look good? This red and pink maybe together. I think this tag would look really cute on some cupcakes or muffins in a tin as a little thank you gift or something. Okay, we got a cute little bow at the top. And I think it needs something right here. So maybe some sequins or something. And then I'm going to put these white little flowers up here too. I think those look really cute. Okay, I think that completes our little tag. Just a cute little tag. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the cute little projects, and I hope you are having fun creating for the holidays. And everything will be listed in the description box if you're interested in any of the papers or stamps that I used today. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you real soon. Bye, guys.